Hello, everyone. My name is Lewis, and I'm with CyberReady. And today we're going to walk you through configuring your laptop. Specifically, in this video, we are talking about a Lenovo ThinkPad. And right off the bat here, we are just going to want to take that first option, which is English United States. And then here, you're going to want to select United States again. This is the country and region you're most likely in. If you are in a different country, just act accordingly. We use a regular standard US keyboard here. And we're just going to say no on the second keyboard layout here. Here, we're going to want to connect to your Wi-Fi. So you will need a stable Wi-Fi connection in order to do this laptop. When you have your Wi-Fi selected and you are connected, you can click the next button. And now that we're connected to Wi-Fi, your laptop is going to check for updates and download any updates that you need for your PC. This will take a little bit of time, and it might include a restart. And your screen may go completely black. Do not be alarmed. And then you'll get this welcome sign, which means we're ready to start our next section. So right here, this is the license agreement. You'll want to go ahead and read this on your own. And then if you accept, you click the next, which you can't continue without doing so. And we can name your laptop anything that you want here. This is what it'll be referred to. We're just going to type in my laptop name. You may also get a restart again here, or just a black screen. Feel free to pause this video if we start getting ahead of you. And here, 99% of the time, you're just going to set up for personal use. So it's going to do a small update here, and then we're going to get to a really, really big update. And this is going to be probably the longest section of the entire configuration. I sped this up a lot. It'll restart a couple of times as it downloads folders, and it could take 20 minutes, up to 20 minutes plus. On the bright side, you do only have to do this once, and this is almost one of the last steps. Okay, you made it. And on this screen where it just says to sign into your Microsoft account, it doesn't really give you an option here. You have to click sign in. So you will have to provide an email. I do believe you can provide any email at this point. I did use a Gmail on a different laptop. It'll set you up with a Microsoft account, and then now it's going to ask you things like, do you want to set up a fingerprint, which is not a bad idea. It'll walk you through if you want to do that. You have to set a PIN, at least a 4-digit PIN, but you can add letters and numbers by clicking the little check mark under there. And so for all of these, we're going to just turn all of them off. This is like, do you want to share your location? Do you want to share troubleshooting issues? And they use this a lot of time for their data analysis, and so that they can get better understandings of what's going on with laptops out there. But you do sacrifice a bit of your security to do so. So we're going to turn all that off. And this will ask you if you want to set up like a previous laptop you had. I had a laptop that I named HQ, before, and I'm not going to do that. I'm going to set this up as a new PC, which you may also want to do. Just start fresh. All right, and we get to this kind of section. I did skip through this. If you want to sign up for Lenovo stuff, you can. Wouldn't really hurt you. For all of this is all personalization stuff. You can click whichever one you like. This is if you want to have your phone connected to your laptop, so your text messages would go through your laptop and vice versa. I skip that. I don't usually like to connect my phone to my laptop. This is to back up your photos into drives. Pretty much all of this is them trying to either sell you something like this, or it's not crazy pertinent to your setup. It doesn't really help you with security, so I just pretty much spent this whole section skipping everything and turning things off. And there you have it. Your laptop is all ready for you to use. Thank you for using this tutorial, and have a great day.